Okay, so what we have here is a Logitech speaker subwoofer that is bellowed, and I fixed a year or so ago with some contact cement. I smeared it all around here, gave it several layers, and well, as you can see, it's it's also kind of sticky too, which is weird. But this time, this thing is gone. Just pretty much gone all the way around. This foam is rotted. The foam really needs to be replaced. I'd probably just replace the speaker, honestly. But we're going to give this one last try to be temporarily fixed until I feel like moving on and putting, some kind of actual true repair into this. I'm going to use that right there. Now this is some outdoor weather hardcore 100% proofing, nothing gets through this stuff, fancy schmooze, and it stays pretty flexible. So I'm going to smear this and finger it on there, and maybe it'll work for a while. We'll find out, I guess. I hate hearing the stuff, so this should make it at least a little bit better. Okay, so the schmooze plug has been removed. Glove is on. That's the smearing glove. So I don't know how I'm going to do this, but let's just do it here and get it to come out. Of course, this is not a recommended by any person way to fix a speaker, of course. But you know what? I don't care. Because I don't really, as much as I like this sub, I'd much rather just either get a new one, as in a whole new speaker system, or replace the speaker. Now let's see here. I'm going to wet my finger, which won't do really any good, but we'll just schmooze this around here. And we're basically sealing the foam to the foam at this point, I guess. And we'll cover up those screws, why not? We'll know where they are later anyway. Recreating a speaker foam surround, whatever you call it here, with outdoor goo. Alright, well, this stuff sets up relatively quickly. I don't know. It's not that hard, so I'll just give it a test there to see. Now, it actually will probably work, even though it's still wet, but going to give it a good jiggle, wiggle, wiggle to get it seated, centered, or whatever. All right, we'll let that set up and see what we have in a few minutes, hours. I don't know. We'll find out. Okay, just one quick note. That stuff does say 7 to 14 day cure time. I'm pretty sure it skins up a lot quicker than that, but I'm going to go ahead and put the cover back on and just put it back over there, and it'll cure on its own, regardless of whether we have sound coming out of it or not. Yeah, it'll be better than it was, I think. Oh. Okay, so it's been about a week so far that the adhesive, the new liquid speaker foam surround thing there, has been dried and applied, and so let's give it a listen here. Hope not to burn out some YouTube copyrights here, but yeah, it's got a good pound now. We're back in business. Just a little liquid sealant's all you need to fix your speaker, at least for a little while. Take care, everybody. Peace.